It's a sad day. Our switch died, but that's okay. Welcome to Church Media Production. I'm Andrew, and today we are going to be deboxing our new 24-port POE Ubiquiti switch. So, let's get started. Give it a cut. 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 Scissors. Rip. Paper. Switch. Box. That is a big box. Alright. We got it open. Make sure you get the little tab. Rip. Alright. So inside the box you got rack screws, power cable, instructions, power sticker, stuck to the box, not to the unit. That's always nice, right? So go ahead and open it. Pull off those little covers. Ooh. This one has the rack mounts mounted already. Fancy. So on the front, status light, 24 POE switches or ports, all 10, 100, 1000. Got your two SFP ports. On the back you got your console port, power plug. Side you got some nice fan holes. Very nice looking box. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give us a like, hit the subscribe button followed by the bell icon. Leave us a comment down below on anything you'd like to see us do, and we will see you next time.